In this session, I will explain the option available under Review tab, that is check accessibility. So, this option is helpful whether your document is accessible to all or not. For example, your document is here, and if you click on this one, no accessible issues found. People with disabilities should not have difficulty reading this document. So, there is no difficulty to read this document. Why? Because this is very clear. Background is white and foreground is what? Font color is in black color. So, this is visible to all the people. So, when the accessibility problems will come, that is the point we have to find. So, for that, see, what I am going to do is just I am going to select some text in the document. Suppose this text selected. So, for this, the font color I am going to change into white. So, automatically the text is there, we can type the text is there, no problem, but background is white and foreground is white. So, this is not accessible to all the people. You know, you hide it, but even you can't read the document. And for example, here what I am going to do, I am going to place the background color as black. So, now also you can't able to read the document. Why? Because this is not compatible to visible, this is not compatible to visible. In this contrast, you can apply accessibility, check accessibility option available under Review tab. See, hard to read text contrast. Make your document. So, first one highlighted, we have to set the font color to automatic, set the font color, it is showing the colors, and you have to select automatic color. So, automatically that one highlighted. And what is the next one? Here, this is the next one. Here in this case, text highlighting color is the problem. So, just text highlighting color, you set it as no color. So, that's all. See, no accessibility issues found. So, anybody can read your document. So, like that you can check accessibility of your document, and under this you can also have some other options, like you can get navigation pane here, you can guide through navigation pane, and you can put alternative text. For example, for this alternative texts, you can create alternative texts. What are the alternative texts for this? You can display them. Okay. So, like that also you can give accessibility, and you can also focus. How to focus your document? Only focusing on your document. And see, if you press escape means you will get back. Okay. So, like this, and options, ease of use. These options also you can use. Under ease of use options here, you can select the related options, or you can deselect the related options available under odd options. Okay, first one is basically you have to check whether your document is accessible to others or not. If there is any hidden text or inaccessible objects, not only text, objects also, drawing objects also, if you made like that, that will be difficult to others. So automatically it will show and you can rectify them and finalize them to read by others. Okay.